Arabella, and I'm coming to you with another processing video. This scrapbook layout is of my son's 8th birthday, and the paper that I'm using is from a paper pack that I got from Tuesday Morning from We Are Memory Keepers. I did trim the paper, I want to say about 1/2 inch on both sides, and then mounted it onto a red cardstock. To save time, I did ink the sides of all my cardstock and already put adhesive. The yellow sheet that I'm using there is also from that 12 by 12 pack from We Are Memory Keepers. I cut that paper 4 by 10, and it's going to be the backdrop for my photos. And then the blue strip that I'm putting there, I actually found in my scraps. So why not use my scraps when I can? I wanted the focal photo to stand out more, so I went ahead and put some pop-ups. I wanted them to be right next to each other, but I wanted that one where he is blowing out his candles to kind of stand out more. So I put the pop-ups behind it. And then now the fun part of putting on the embellishments. Now this is the fun part, but it can also be the most nerve-wracking because like, okay, well, where do I want things to to be? I knew I was going to put the hooray there because that was my title. The white cardstock there is going to be where I'm going to put my journaling. So I cut it down and then inked it and put some adhesive on there. And I figured I'll just do my journaling later. I had some phrases that I wanted to put down, and those phrases say, "Let's party," "Celebrating you," "Little boy, big day." So after I figured out the order that I wanted them in, and I kind of went small to big. So I went ahead and put those down. And then I just started playing with the embellishments to see where I wanted things to be. Now I knew I needed a hint of red in all 3 of my corners there. And this ephemera is from Simple Stories Birthday Blast. And in this packet, it comes with some silver stars. So I want to make sure to put those in all 3 of the focal points as well. So the little silver star banner is under the photo, and then I'm going to put stars on each of the 3 focal points as well. So there I am trying to figure out where I'm going to put these stars. I had to cut down that balloon so it could fit where I wanted it to. And then that circle there says wish big. And so I'm just playing with it, trying to figure out where I want it. I knew I needed some red there, so I put that present there. And then the last of the stars. Then I thought I needed some more colors, so I went ahead and put down some liquid pearls. And the color is rouge. And even after doing that, I thought, yeah, okay, you know what? I need some more yellow because my son's favorite color is yellow. And so I used Mister Huey's Color Mist, and the color is Desert. Now, when you use these, you want to make sure that you cover your photos so that way none gets on the photos. Now, usually I put when I use this, I put it on with a barrier underneath, but I just went ahead and went for it this time. So I hope you like it. If you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and then subscribe so you don't miss any processing videos. Thank you for watching.